The second exercise comes from the old school bodybuilding era. Hold a barbell behind your back and let it roll down. Let me tell you the truth straight up. If your wrists are thin, there's a reality you need to understand right now. It might completely change how you look at your training. The wrist itself, where you wear your watch, is mostly bones and tendons. There are almost no muscles there that can grow significantly after you have passed the stage of puberty. That is a fact. There is no magical exercise that can change the physical size of your actual bones. But here's the most important part. The muscles right above the wrist, your forearm muscles, respond incredibly well to the right kind of strength training. When they grow and get stronger, they create a powerful visual illusion that makes a thin wrist look much thicker. Even if you build big biceps and triceps, a small wrist can make your entire arm look much weaker than it is. The real solution is to build the forearms, especially the area closest to the wrist. And here's some great news. Forearm muscles recover projects insanely fast. That is why arm wrestling legends like Devin Larratt train them very frequently. They train them almost daily, but without pushing to absolute muscular failure every single time they hit the gym. So the question now is, which exercises actually make a difference? Studies showed that traditional wrist curls do work, but they're not what truly creates the thickness near the wrist that you're looking for in your physique. The real difference comes from deep forearm muscles that many people ignore. The first are the deep grip muscles. You can clearly see them developed in professional rock climbers because they spend hours hanging with their grip under tension. A great exercise for this is finger hangs. Try hanging from a bar using mostly your fingers without wrapping your hand. This activates those deep muscles at a very high level and builds serious forearm thickness, especially near the wrist area. Start with 10 to 20 seconds for 3 to 4 sets. Progress slowly and do not rush the weight for safety. The second exercise comes from the old school bodybuilding era. Hold a barbell behind your back and let it roll down towards your fingers. Then curl your fingers to bring the bar back into your palm before flexing the wrist. Yes, the position looks strange, but it is extremely effective. Gravity forces the bar to roll toward your fingers. This targets the deep forearm muscles responsible for real thickness. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 controlled reps. The third exercise is the secret weapon, training the pronator teres, the muscle that rotates your forearm from up to down. Arm wrestlers rely heavily on this muscle. It adds serious width to the upper forearm and makes the wrist look dense. Use a light dumbbell, rotate slowly, and maintain full control. Do 15 to 20 reps for 3 sets on each arm. Stay consistent, work at 80% effort, and within a few weeks, your thin wrists will be the last thing on your mind.